some self-appointed, some people in the media who speak for and take the sides of the left ideology. All speak to us. Speak to Prime Minister Modi, saying federalism is under threat. Right-wing extremism is oppressing all of us. Not true. Not today, not just 5 years ago, not 10 years ago. Since the time this imported ideology of communism has come into India, come into Kerala, people of Kerala trusted them. They trusted them, saying, under our constitution, if you are going to get elected and you will be in the parliament, you will take care of all people. No. They cut off the necks of people who dare to challenge them on ideology. They remove you from the list of benefits which are given by the central government. They threaten you, saying if you are with RSS or BJP, you will not get anything from the government. They don't allow you to speak. Even women are threatened. Even if you say namaskar to them, see what happens. That is the imported ideology. It comes with violence. Violence like this. Violence which threatens all of us. You vote for BJP, you will not be given water in your village. You vote for BJP, you will not be allowed to even open a little business in your village. Your survival itself is at stake. We are seeing exactly the same thing in Bengal. Communist and removing communist, the force which came after that copied the communist. And violence is the only mantra. You can't support me, I'll ensure you will support me by denying you your rights. If I don't like you, I will eliminate you. I will hang you from a tree in front of children and women. That is the politics of violence which left wing spreads in Kerala, spread in West Bengal. Their full attention is not on governance. It is only on eliminating the opponents. All of you are suffering in one or the other way. Martyr Bhumi, this Bhumi is, I was told 28 people have sacrificed their life in this ideological warfare which left perpetrates. This is a very sacred Bhumi for us. And therefore appeal to you. I appeal to each one of you. You must speak to everybody. What Narendra Modi ji has done for Kerala in the last 5 years, now 6th and 7th year, no UDF government being a part of the union government could do it. Congress party was hand in glove with the leftists. They have alliance here, they contest here, but they will, in Delhi they will be friends when they have the UPA government. But even being in Delhi, they don't get anything for Kerala. Projects are waiting for God knows how long. Employment is not generated. Economy suffers because of corruption under UPA. Corruption of the Congress under the UPA. And that corruption is to keep up one family.